performance, and the sweet, sweet sounds of induction. Let's take a deep breath and dive into the S-FLO for Supra. Hey everyone, I'm Sara, and this is the product rundown for AWE's S-FLO Carbon Intake system for the GR Supra. There are a bunch of benefits from upgrading your Supra's intake. With better breathability, you'll get additional performance, some really great sounds, and of course, there's always room for more beautiful carbon fiber. The S-FLO Carbon Intake can reside in your engine bay in one of two ways, with or without the lid. Starting from the bottom, the S-FLO features a CNC laser-cut aluminum heat shield designed to accommodate the factory mounting points while providing an ample barrier between the intake cavity and the engine itself. Next up is the 4.5-inch inlet tube made of genuine 2x2 twill carbon fiber. It features a machined aluminum sensor fitting to ensure the ECU remains happy. Follow that inlet tube to be met by the oilless and washable S-FLO Filter, packing a whopping 71% increase in filter surface area over stock. During development, that 4.5-inch inlet tube paired with the S-FLO Filter unlocked an impressive 15 horsepower and 21 foot-pounds of torque at the wheels when torture tested on a Supra equipped with Stage 1 software. If you're pushing higher than stock boost levels, regardless of the stage, S-FLO will deliver check engine light free performance. When compared to stock, aside from the obvious carbon fiber structure, this intake offers a ton more filter surface area while allowing drivers the option to run an open or closed system. S-FLO also doesn't feature any silly resonator chambers to rob you of those beloved turbo sounds. Finally, the S-FLO Carbon Lid. This is a standalone add-on option for those who want their filter element to be enclosed. It features aluminum mounting points and secures to the aluminum heat shield via rubber grommets, essentially floating in place against engine movement. Thanks to its design, it doesn't completely hide those sweet induction sounds, so they'll still hear you coming. Now that you've got the rundown of the S-FLO Carbon Intake and all of its features, head over to awesupra.com where you'll find images, videos, and dyno data so you can treat yourself to some stylish performance with confidence. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.